Are you a beginner in the world of concrete mix design? Do you want to create high-quality concrete that meets industry standards? Look no further. Introducing our revolutionary concrete mix design template, specifically designed for beginners and referencing the trusted ACI 211.1 standards. With this template, you can effortlessly blend up to 5 aggregate sizes, all conforming to the rigorous ASTM C33 standards. No more guesswork. Our template utilizes the absolute volume method for material proportioning, ensuring accurate and consistent results every time. But that's not all. We also provide you with basic, useful criteria for determining the optimum cement content based on your specific placement method. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to create professional-grade concrete with ease. Get our concrete mix design template today and unleash your potential in the world of concrete construction.